Hello, this is A Little Bird. My name is Jamie Black, and I am at Farmship today, chatting with Sam. He's from Belgium. He's come through WWOOF Canada to come onto the farm and learn a little bit more about not only how to do farming, but the environment and the characters and what it takes to thrive on the land together as a community. So have a listen and hear what Sam thinks about his experience here at Farmship.
I really like it. It's really beautiful and really different for the Belgium of Belgium. I don't know what to say.
Yeah.
It's really bigger here.
Oh yeah.
Yes, my country it's the same size like Vancouver Island. So here it's really big. I come here because I want to meet people who love nature like me, and I want to make something different because I never been in a farm, and so I can make yes, I can make this. I never do that, so it's really different, and I found it really cool.
Would you recommend other people? Would you tell your friends to come and do this?
Yeah, sure, because every people go in a house or hotel and like this, and that's really different, and it's really nice. We meet nice people. We make food, and we know how the food are made. I don't know if it's English, but yes, I recommend that to my friends.
That's so great. And you find that you're having fun here on the farm? It's good, feels good here with the people?
Yes, Antoine, I met Antoine, and we like the same things, and it's another roofer, so it's good too. Isabelle and In are really nice. I was in other farm 2 or 3 weeks before, and it was not so nice because they was not so welcoming, and here they are really welcoming. So sometimes you don't have a good woofer, but I think it's not usually I don't know, but here it's really cool. And, I found that really cool.
Oh, that's great. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Sam. Yeah. Wish you were staying. You're leaving in another week or so?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Well, have a great journey.
Thank you. You too.